Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add as well as set up your order tracking page on Shopify. So let's get in. The first thing you want to do is go down to online store. You want to click on online store and go down to pages. All right, we're going to click on pages, and over at the top right hand side we're going to tap on add page. Now from here we are going to give it a name. So let's call it order tracking. All right, that's fantastic. And from this page over here, we're going to now go ahead to the bottom and it says save. We're going to tap on save. So that is the first step, right? The next step involves going to our app store and over here tapping on Shopify App Store. And once we're in the App Store, we're going to go here and we are going to type in order tracking. Now, there are many order tracking apps from third-party developers, but the one that we're looking for is After Ship order tracking. Now, I've used this before, so I know that it works very well. It's easy to set up. And here we're going to tap on the install button on the left-hand side, and thereafter, over on the right-hand side, we're going to go ahead and we're going to tap on install again. Now, the next page involves linking your Shopify store to the Aftership tracking app, and we're going to go ahead and over here, it just needs the 6 digits that it has sent to your email address. So we're going to go ahead and enter those digits, and here we're going to link it to our main store. All right, if you would like to create another store, you can go ahead and do that from this page. But basically what's happened is it's automatically integrated your Shopify store with the app. And now you can see it has a dashboard, and here you can manage all of your orders that are being tracked. So if you go down here to tracking dashboard, you can see these are all of your orders that have been that are being tracked. And if you go down to tracking pages, you can now see that this is what it will look like. You can tap on preview. This is what your order tracking page will look like. So if your customer wants to track their order, all they need to do is locate their order number, which they will find after they have made a purchase on their receipt. And here you can type in that tracking number, tap on track, and what will happen now is they will get a status of the order. You can now also go ahead and customize this by going into your main store, going over now to themes, over on the right hand side tapping on customize. And if you go up to the top of here and tap on home page, it'll give you this menu, and you're going to tap on pages, and from pages you're going to tap on default page, and you'll see your default page over here. This is the order tracking right over here at the top, and this can be found on your home page. Now, if this video was helpful, you can go ahead, drop us a like. If you have any questions, leave it down below in the comment section, and we'll see you next time. Peace.